大家好，我是DEKA. Today we're here to practice with Bolster. So I'm going to show you 3 poses. It's my favorite. I love to practice this every time. Feel free to follow along or you can simply just watch it. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel to show your support. And this is the Bolster. 通常你如果没有瑜伽枕的话，你可以用枕头抱枕来代替。那我们就开始咯。Your left hips close to the bolster here. So you're going to bring your shin bone at the edge of the mat, 90-degree shin bone here and right shin bone here, and then you're going to twist. Slowly bring your belly in, twist from your spine, and you can bring your shoulder facing this way. So bring your hands down. It doesn't matter if the hips really come up the mat. So just feel here. Maybe this is just enough for you today. Or if you want more, just bend your elbows, right elbow, left elbow, and rest your chest, rest your face on the bolster. Or you can even look to the left side, opposite way. You can just open your arms even more and let the body sink down to the mat. This is really restorative pose. Keep breathing, find your steady breath, and slowly push up. Another side, so make sure to do both sides. I'm going to face this way. Okay, so this time, right hips touching the bolster, and make sure your left shin bone, right shin bone at the edge of the mat. And we're going to walk your hands forward. First, you can just stay here because maybe you haven't warmed up enough. Just stay. And you can slowly bend your elbows down, right elbow, left elbow, and rest your chest down even more. Open your arms and bring your hips and look to the right side. This is my favorite one. The second favorite I'm going to show you. Toes touching, open your knees, bring your bolster here and just sink your chest down and have the bolster. So this is a really good to have a space for your chest and also your lower back. So this is a good pose to start in the morning or even before you sleep. Make sure you look to your right side, left side. Keep breathing. Just slowly release. Third one, I like to do the seated forward fold. This is a Paschimottanasana. I really love this pose. Just do the passive forward fold. You don't need to use any strength. Inhale, slowly bring your arms up. And exhale, slowly soften everything down. So even bend your elbows, hand palms facing up. And round your shoulder, just rest your head down. And you can even micro bend your knees. And just rest here. Let the gravity take it and you can stay here for even 5 minutes. It's really good for relaxing your shoulders, your back. And that's all. Slowly coming back. I highly recommend if you don't have one, invest one. It's really good for practice. Props is not about always for beginners. You can have more flexibility, allow you have more space to deepen the practice in the process over time. This is how I love Bolster so much. Yes, Bolster. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up, drop comments below. Please subscribe to my channel to show your support and share to your friends. Thank you very much and see you next Tuesday. Stay healthy, stay strong, and namaste. 辅具的一种，那瑜伽有太多辅具了，这个瑜伽枕也是一个还蛮实用的，通常会用在阴瑜伽，有些老师也会用一些流动瑜伽来教学。那我之后会再带给你们几个动作，在家就可以练习了。这个就是一般的枕头抱枕就可以拿来练习。那这种瑜伽枕有些就是手工做的，所以会比较像是不会那么软，也不会那么硬。可以在市面上找到蛮多的。那如果有什么问题，可以在下面留言。我们下周二见。